talk about the doctor strike. Yes, we are in negotiation. We are working together. Last night I worked up to midnight. The day before I also worked up to midnight. And I'm calling upon the doctors to come on the negotiating table so that we finish. Because in all this, we must find a solution. We may disagree, but disagree to agree eventually so that we ensure that Kenyans get service. So for me, it's to call upon them that they come to the negotiating table so that we finalize. Mimi niko kazini, I'm working, you know, and I know what I'm doing. So for me, I'll keep working because this government has a plan on matters healthcare. And when you look at the trajectory that the ministry has taken, we are on the right trajectory. We already have new laws in place. We have the level 1 of services already in place, except for this health worker issue that has coming. But I find it as a break for us to stop and look at how we were moving, where there are places that we need to correct. So this is an opportunity to correct what we are doing. So me niko kazi, if anything was to happen, then it can happen, but I am at work.
The CBA was signed in 2017. Waziri was not in office, but the Council of Governors has discussed, because county and national government are going concern. They are looking into the matter. Once the national government resolve on their part, the county government will also deal on their part. Our Waziri here, she's performing. The issue of an MP bringing a motion in Parliament to impeach our CS, we shall mobilize our MPs to resist. No one should use the excuse of a strike. A strike is a labor issue, is a labor matter, and the labor matter is being resolved. Don't target Nakhumicha using labor issues.